told you that I will be dropping a video on how you can take care of that yeast infection. So if you are a woman or you are a TTC mom or whoever you are, you're having yeast infection, come closer. I know you know the one we call yeast infection. Yeast infection is also known as candidiasis. Yes, it's also known as candidiasis. It is a fungal infection. So how do you know that you are having yeast infection? Maybe you say, how will I know that I'm having yeast? Or how do I know that this infection is called yeast? There are many infections, but how to, bring out the one or point out a particular one that is disturbing you is if you are having itching, irritations, are you getting around your VG area, your vag area? You know that thing is yeast infection. Understand? Another one is instead of you to be having a good time with your partner, when you're having a good time with your partner, you don't feel okay. Instead of you to be feeling okay, enjoy it. You feel pains during that good time with your man or your hobby. You feel pains. Or maybe during urination, you want to urinate. You feel pains within that VG area. This means that thing is yeast infection. Yes. And another way to know that thing that is disturbing you is yeast infection is some of the times you have discharge, white discharge that look like a cottage cheese. So it can also be a sign of yeast infection. And sometimes you will have redness. That place will be red. And sometimes it will come with sore because of you have been scratching. And when you're scratching, so that thing is also yeast infection. So and the major thing that can lead to excessive growth of that yeast normally is present in our body. But when it now grows excessively, it now leads to the infection is too much sugar. As a woman, as a TCC mom that is waiting upon the Lord, looking for a day that God will say, yes, you have tested positive. You have to stay away from sugar things. Cut it off. Cut off sugar things. Alright? So there are like 10 remedies you can use to clear it. But I will just be dropping 2 or 3 of those remedies you can use to clear it out of your system. Especially those that have taken antifungal. They have taken antifungal, microbial, bacteria, all these drugs, and it's not working. So why not take this natural remedy? Number 1 is coconut oil. You say, well, coconut oil works perfectly in yeast infection. Just make sure you choose the right coconut oil. And which one is the right coconut oil? The organic virgin coconut oil. Get it for me. Once you get it, use cloth or cotton. Cloth or cotton. Take it a little. Rub it in those affected areas. Rub it 2 to 3 times a day. There will be improvements. Keep doing it until you see improvements. Alright? Then the second remedy is the apple cider vinegar. Very potent on the yeast infection. You can get 2 cups of it and use it as a warm bath. Add it to your water. Then use it and wash that place, the area. Or you get just a cup of warm water. Then 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, ACV. Get it. Add it. Get a cotton. Use it. Dip into that a cup of warm water that contains the ACV. Use it to wipe those affected areas. The areas you can find that yeast. You can find it in the mouth. You can find it in the skin. You can find it in the VG area. And also the digestive tracts. These are the areas you find it. So use it to wipe those areas. Keep doing it 2 times in a day. As you are doing it, do it until you make sure there is improvement. Or everything appears. Then the third one is what we call the garlic treatment. The garlic is an antifungal spice that can take care of fungal infections. So you can use it. You can chew it 2 to 3 cloves of garlic on daily basis. Or you can crush it. After crushing 2 or 3 of it, add it to your organic virgin coconut oil. Allow it to stay there for 2 good days. The second day, strain it, remove the garlic. Now use the oil that contains the garlic. Begin to rub it on those affected areas. Some people normally insert, garlic into their VG, but I don't advise that one because it can cause irritation if not properly done. So you can use your coconut oil to dilute it and rub it on those areas, and you will see improvement very fast healing. Alright, you can be chewing it and also applying it, and your result will come out faster than expected. Right? I hope this video helps. Please don't keep it to yourself. Make sure you share, like, and comment. See you in my next post.